Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix export errors in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether your render keeps failing, exporting freezes, or DaVinci Resolve crashes during export, there are several ways to solve these common problems. First, close DaVinci Resolve completely and restart the program. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause export failures. If the problem continues, restart your PC or laptop to refresh system resources and background processes. One common cause of export errors is low storage space. Make sure your drive has enough free space for rendering. Sometimes export settings can cause problems, so try switching to MP4 with the H.264 codec for better compatibility. If your PC struggles during rendering, lower the export resolution slightly, like switching from 4K to 1080p. If a specific part of the video keeps failing, try exporting smaller sections of the timeline separately to find the problem clip. Corrupted media files can also stop exports. So replace damaged clips or relink missing files if necessary. And that's basically how to fix export errors in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With updated drivers, cleaner cache files, optimized settings, and stable media files, you can solve most rendering problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.